3, 2, 1.
Hello.
Hello. I just visited your company website. Does your company offering briquetting binders?
Hello, sir. It's a pleasure to receive your call. We have been dedicated to binder manufacturing over 15 years. We have numerous proven customer examples. Could you please provide more information about your raw material?
Our raw material is chromium or powder.
Okay, I see. We do have a binder suitable for briquetting this raw material. Additionally, we can develop customized binder tailored to your specific raw materials.
Great. Could you tell me about your binder?
Certainly, allow me to explain more. Our binder is a blend of various environmentally friendly polymer materials. It's designed for cold press briquetting. In essence, it binds the mineral oil fines together during the briquetting process. This results in stronger and more cohesive briquettes.
What is your binder made from?
Our binder is cornstarch based, so it's eco-friendly, sustainable, renewable, and also biodegradable.
How is it used?
Okay, to use it, you need to mix it slowly with your raw materials. And after that, add a specific amount of water and then mix them well. Once done, you need to feed the mixtures to the roller press machine. So if you also need the requirements, the equipment, so we can also provide the EPC services or staged EPC services.
I appreciate your explanation. What is the typical dosage of your binder?
Our binder dosage usually 3 to 5%, and this keeps the production costs low.
What benefits does your binder offer?
Our binder boasts several benefits, including high foaming rate, quick curing time, no ash content, and minimal impurities, energy efficiency, and environmental friendliness. It serves as a completely replacement for molasses, lime, bentonite, cement, and sodium silicate. And this resulting green briquettes exhibit a drop integrity of 1.5 meter and a maximum CCS 250 kilograms. And they can also withstand a high temperature of 1200 degrees.
Does your binder contain sulfur and phosphorus?
No, our binder is free of sulfur and phosphorus, and it has no adverse effects on steelmaking production.
Could you please send your main feature of your binder?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.